loud one out. Why is this video starting on an airplane? That's something that you're gonna have to go to my Instagram for. We need to go start the triaxle because people need gravel. Let's go get it done, baby. Okay, so while we wait for the truck to warm up, something isn't right about what's going on here, and I don't like it. So let's change this. Still not right. Okay, I like this, but now we should go trucking. Millennials can't shift gears, they're all lazy and they don't work. Who is this guy? I'm about to show you, baby. Show you. Let's go. While I'm underneath here, what I do is I look underneath, I check my flaps, check my air, get any moisture, water, condensation out of them, check my hydraulic fluid, levels are good. Then I check to see if there's anything hanging down, such as wires, airlines, or anything irregular, which we're good. Grab onto stuff. So that was a very quick kind of showing you guys what we do as far as a pre-trip inspection. It wasn't totally in depth. Don't rip me apart in the comments. Oh, baby, can you... Hey guys, hey, what's up? It's me over here. Hey guys, over here. I gotta do my sheet here. And awesome. There's no sheets. I gotta run and go grab sheets. Okay. We got sheets. Thinking about doing a giveaway. Like I bought a bunch of these Carhartt shirts, black and white and long sleeves. I'm gonna get Ken White, I'm gonna get them badged and I might do a giveaway with you guys. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys would like some Carhartt gear. All right, I'm in my yard right now, so before people go, hey, you're driving around holding a GoPro. I'm in my yard still. So what we're doing now is I had a good buddy of mine. He says, hey, Taylor, I needed some clear stone. And I was still on the airplane. I said, well, I'll be back. So now we're gonna go get 3/4 inch clear stone. I'll show you guys what it is, and I want you guys to let me know if you guys call it that same thing. Basically, it's stone washed, so you remove all the granulars from it, so you're just left with the stone, and it's 3/4 inch. So we're gonna go to the pit, and you guys love seeing those big loaders get load me, so we're going to get some footage of the loaders loading me. Hopefully they don't get mad, so I'll catch you guys at the pit. Woo! Pit here now, and I got to get weighed first because I haven't really done a tear in a while, so I got to do that. It looks like that this scale's closed, so I should go to the other one. I'm gonna tear this in, getting 3/4 inch clear. No, it's not. What truck number is it? 3. You got a copy? I'm coming for 3/4 inch clear. Anybody got a copy on me here? I don't know if my CB's working or not.
Y'all one heading back to the 3/4 clear.
That's a 982. A pretty sizable loader. It's really, really cool. We're loaded. We're gonna go get weighed up there now. Tarps deployed. we're all loaded. You guys saw that big loader. We got to get one more load. This guy needs 2 loads. So we'll get her done. Don't forget your seatbelt. Last time in one of my videos, you guys thought I was driving down the road without a seatbelt on. I always wear my seatbelt because I never used to wear a seatbelt. And I got a seatbelt ticket for like $450.
Look where he's got the other one.
Oh, you got something over here too. Ben doesn't believe the crap. Oh man.
Watch that bro. She was close to taking her out.
Thanks, man. Got this load done. We're gonna go back and get another one. I didn't wreck anything, but I tell you, I'm all up. Not like alcohol up, but I'm up. All right, first load went good. I think my hydraulic oil's either cold or there's sometimes a filter. It gets a little dirty because it was super slow going up. But then again, the truck hasn't been ran in a while. So he's scraping it down right now because there was clumps and stuff. So what he does is he takes it, he spreads it all out like that when I'm gone so that it doesn't clump up. And then when he loads me, there's no frozen chunks. It's kind of something that you have to deal with whenever you live in Canada and that type of shit. But he's pretty good operator. Tarp got stuck. Look at this. See, it's bent there. So you need to come back and, well, careful. All right, now we're good. You don't want to, that's why when you're driving a truck, any tips to new drivers, always make sure and look, because if I left and went down the road like that, I'd be taking about 70% of Ottawa's hydro with me, so that wouldn't be too good. So got my, I just went on the scale. We'll get going and we'll go to the job site, deliver this last load, and then go home and see the dog and probably get some rest because I was up at 3 a.m. this morning and went to bed around 1 a.m. So about 2 hours of sleep. But I mean, I don't feel tired. I've had a lot of coffee and stuff, so it's good. I'm masking my tiredness with a caffeine drug. Awesome. I think now would be a good time to remind everybody that I want to hit 50,000 subscribers by March. And when I say I mean we as a collective together, the True Patriots, the family, Ken White Constructions channel, guys. I want us to hit 50,000 before we get to Con Expo. It's always been a goal of mine to do that. So if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. 72.5% of you still are yet not subscribed, which is fine, I understand, but guys, if you don't have an account, just make a Google account, subscribe. Honestly, that is so awesome. It supports awesome, and it continues. It motivates me to keep doing what I'm doing and giving you guys the content that you guys want and the content that I like making.
Actually, if you get in the basement, that'd be
Okay, yeah, let me do that. Let me go get my slinger.
You know what? You have bull low, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Right in that corner, just back right through the house, is top spot.
Get a little bit of shifting action for you guys. I'm gonna try to go super smooth. This is how you test how good you are, because you guys are just sitting there. Yeah, this is an 18-speed Eaton Fuller, and apparently I'm not as good at shifting it as the tandem, but I'm splitting. I always split my highs, and I do not use the clutch. I don't use the clutch whenever I'm shifting on the go like this. I only use it to start and stop. And I know last time I said that, there was people in the comments that were like ripping me apart, and then there was people who were like, yeah, no, that's what I do too. So I know it's whatever you do. So just like that, we are back. Time to put back on this sweater. Are you a true patriot? And a lot of people always ask, I don't push my merch because I don't want my channel to be like that. I never want to sound like the guy that's like, hey, buy this, buy that. I tell you guys to subscribe, but that's free. That's why I tell you guys to do it. Obviously, if you do want to buy merch, the link is in the description down below. It always has been. I just never really kind of talk about it because, again, I don't think that I should make you guys pay for this, but if there's people that want to support, that's awesome. Just the cold weather and stuff, if you don't drain these tanks, the water will sit in it, and I've cracked lines already this year just from that happening. Feel that water? Try not to get dirty. Getting dirty is yucky. Key's back. Gotta lock the building up. So we're all wrapped up now. The truck's back. I am gonna take it to the shop and do a bunch of work on it. So I want you guys, again, like I know I told you guys, but I want you to let me know if you guys want to see that. Now, I did mention on my Instagram story, again, follow me on there if you guys want to follow along day to day at KWC2000. So thank you for watching today's video, guys. I appreciate it, and we'll make sure to catch you guys in the next one. Thanks. And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the True Pates user channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those True Patriots, I want you guys to comment down below Big 10-4. Why Big 10-4? I was rocking that CB today, regardless if it was working or not. I felt like a super trucker. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, I want you guys to comment down below Big 10-4. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.